Thank you, and welcome to the show. You may know Jerry Springer as the host of a very famous, popular, and populist television show on which various guests, usually from questionable backgrounds, shall we say, discuss tawdry subjects like stripping and fighting, and sometimes they fight and do other things. If you're not familiar with the genre or the show itself, check it out at your discretion. Obviously, this program has been so indoctrinated into popular culture that even people that don't listen or watch it, or at least admit to it, still are familiar with the basic premise. It's associated with the lower class culture, and yet it's mindless entertainment, and it's safe to say that most people have seen it at least once, if they have been within 100 feet of a TV during the last 2 or 3 decades. 2 decades, actually. What most people don't seem to realize is that Jerry Springer, despite having a reputation as being a person that brings questionable entertainment to the public, started out in politics. In fact, he was the mayor of Cincinnati for a short period of time and had also run for the Senate. His mayor tenure lasted from 1978 to 79 and ended due to a scandal involving prostitution, which may have parlayed his career into his present very well-known, very omniscient status in popular culture. Another fact that most people may not know, that according to jerryspringer.com, his parents actually immigrated to the United States during the Nazi occupation. He was born in England, and his parents were Jewish and were persecuted and managed to escape to the United States. So that's a very interesting factoid that even I had not heretofore been aware of. Jerry Springer had a very successful but short-lived political career in local politics, may have aspired to greater heights, national politics, state politics, but in fact may have had more of an influence over popular culture with his experience in television than he would have had he maintained his political aspirations more successfully. It's just an example of you never know where things may lead, and that communication can be used for entertainment or for policy. So Jerry Springer is a very interesting example of somebody whose career started somewhere and ended up somewhere else. Thank you.
She's still recording!
Did you just say that?
She's still recording!